In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pre-order in Shopify. Pre-orders are a great way to sell products before they're actually in stock, whether you're launching something new or waiting on inventory. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set this up using a popular Shopify app, step by step. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're on your main Shopify dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. Click on the search field, then type apps, and select the apps section from the results. This is the easiest way to get to your apps area, no matter which page you're currently on. Inside the apps section, look for an option that says something like All Recommended Apps. Click that, and then choose Shopify App Store. This will open the official app marketplace where you can find tools to extend your store's functionality. In the App Store search bar, type Pre-Order Now WOD. You're looking for an app called WOD Pre-Order Now. When you see it appear in the search results, click on it to open the app's details page. Here you can quickly scan the description, pricing, and reviews to make sure it suits your needs. Next, click on the Install button. Shopify will show you a permissions screen explaining what access the app needs. Review that, and then click Install again to confirm. After a moment, you'll be taken back into your Shopify admin with the app installed. For the app to actually show on your storefront, you need to enable its theme integration. Look for the option that says Enable App Embed and click that. This will open your theme editor. On the left-hand side in the App Embed section, find the toggle for the pre-order app and switch it on. Once the toggle is enabled, make sure you click Save in the top right corner of the editor so your changes go live. Now go back to the app's dashboard inside Shopify. Look for a button that says Add Pre-Order Products and click it. Then select Open Pre-Order Products page to manage which products will support pre-orders. On this page, click Add Product. You'll see a list of your existing products. Choose the product you want to make available for pre-order by clicking on it. After that, click Select to confirm. At this point, that product is now set up as a pre-order item. You can repeat the process to add more products, and if you find your current app plan too limiting, you can upgrade within the same